Hello guys, welcome back to the series of tutorials on cybersecurity. I am Deepak Unyal and you can see we have a virtual machine here. Today I am going to show you one thing that there is no default root in Kali Linux new version. So let me start this first and then I will tell you how you can enable the root in Kali Linux. So let me put root here and put a default password that generally is assigned for the root, but I can't log in here. Let me try again and leave it empty, and maybe I should try using my other username. And now you can see we are logged into the Kali Linux, but let me try doing something. Maybe I will try to update something. Apt get update. It's saying permission is denied. So what I will do, I will use sudo command for that. So in this way, what I have to do, I need to use sudo command always when I am performing some privilege action. Other than this, you can use sudo su and then you can enter into root, enter the password, and now I am root here. You can see root at the rate root, and you can see here this is hash sign which says that I am logged in as a root. So what you have to do here, type password and root, and it is asking for new password. You can set a new password and it has updated the password successfully. Let's log out this user now and try to log in using root, and then you will see that root is enabled in your system. So let's log out from here. So here we can log out. Now type root and type its password, and here you can see we are now logged in as root. Let's open a terminal here, and here you can see now we are logged in as root. So what you have to do, just try checking whether you are able to update or not, and now it has started updating your system. It's saying something that release for file this is not valid yet. Update for this repository will not be applied. Although this is not able to apply it, but it is now not saying that permission is denied. Alright, so you can try a few other commands and then you will understand that now root is enabled and you can do anything on your system. So I hope you found this tutorial interesting. If you have any other query regarding this, you can write in the comments and I will try to respond back as soon as possible. So see you in the next video with some new concept. Till then, thank you so much.